do.
Visual play means learning with our eyes. Yogi sorts colors, and Giggle Paws matches shapes. Let's look carefully. Can we find the same color? Can we match the same shape? You do. Look around. Can you find something red? Can you spot a circle?
I do.
Olfactory play means learning through smell. Yogi smells lavender and Giggle Paws smells mint. You do. Think of something that smells good. Is it a flower, food, or soap? Let's smell together. Does it smell sweet, fresh, strong, or gentle? Auditory play means learning through sound. Yogi hears a bell, and Giggle Paws taps a drum. You do. Listen carefully. What sound do you hear? Is it loud or soft? We do. Let's listen together. Did you hear a clap? Did you hear a shake?
I do.
Gustatory play means learning through taste. Yogi tastes fruit, and Giggle Paws tries a crunchy snack. You do. What food tastes sweet to you? What food tastes sour? We do. Let's taste and describe. Is it sweet, sour, salty, or crunchy? I do. Proprioceptive play helps body awareness. Yogi pushes a block and Giggle Paws carries a cushion. You do. Stretch your arms. Now press your hands together and feel your muscles work. You do. Stretch your arms. Now press your hands together and feel your muscles work.
Don't go yet, little learners.
Come back for more fun with Yogi and Giggle Paws.
Follow, subscribe, and ring the bell.
Let's grow together.